Hello, friends. Do you know how NASA hires its scientists? And what are the criteria to join NASA? If you also dream of joining NASA, then make sure to tell me in the comments. Today, I'll explain everything in a very easy format. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. And at the end of the video, I'll also tell you a special way through which you can join NASA even without graduation. To join NASA, you need three most important things. 1. Education. 2. Skills. 3. And the most important, U.S. citizenship. Education. Requirement. 4. Scientific roles at NASA having a STEM background, science, technology, engineering, mathematics, is very important. School level. You should focus on physics, chemistry, and mathematics, PCM, in class 12. Graduation. You need a bachelor's degree from a reputed university, preferably in fields like aerospace engineering, mechanical engineering, computer science, physics or astronomy. Post-graduation. For research roles, having a master's degree or PhD is highly beneficial. NASA usually prefers candidates with deep expertise in their field. Also, having practical experience is very important. Citizenship requirement. NASA is a U.S. government agency, so for most jobs, U.S. citizenship is mandatory. If you are from another country, you'll first need to move to the USA, get a green card, permanent residency, then apply for U.S. citizenship. This process can take around 5 years or more. Alternative ways without U.S. citizenship. Don't worry if you're not a U.S. citizen. There are still ways to work with NASA. 1. NASA contractors. Private companies like SpaceX, Boeing, and Lockheed Martin work with NASA. You can join these companies and indirectly work on NASA projects. 2. International collaborations. NASA collaborates with agencies like ISRO, for example, missions like ISRO. So by becoming an ISRO scientist, you can work on joint NASA missions. To work with NASA. 3. Postdoctoral programs. After a PhD, you can apply for NASA's research programs, where even non-US citizens can work temporarily. Hiring process. NASA posts job openings on USA Jobs. You need to upload your resume in their format. Then go through multiple rounds of technical interviews, behavioral interviews. Background checks are also conducted. The entire process can take around 2 months or more. Salary. NASA scientists earn approximately $80,000 to $100,000 per year, or even more depending on experience. Can you join NASA without graduation? Yes, there are some ways. 1. Internships. If you are a student, age 16 plus, you can apply for NASA internships. No graduation required, but you must be a student. 2. Pathways Internship Program. For students currently enrolled in a degree. This can lead to a full-time job at NASA after graduation. 1. Internships. If you are a student, age 16 plus, you can apply for NASA internships. No graduation required, but you must be a student. 2. Pathways Internship Program. For students currently enrolled in a degree, this can lead to a full-time job at NASA after graduation. 3. Citizen science projects. Even without a formal degree, anyone can participate in NASA's citizen science programs. Many participants have even become co-authors in scientific publications. So guys, Now you know the full criteria to join NASA as a scientist. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more space-related content.